What's up, guys? So, new day, new meal for my mom. We're trying to figure out what she can eat. Yeah, I received a lot of advices from my subscribers. Thank you. I am going to take some notes. And today we are trying something new, something Jamaican. So I see there, my mother made some veggie chunks. It is kind of Rastafarian food. Rastaman them eat something like that. Yeah, just interesting. To me, it does not remind meat, but my mom says it tastes pretty much like meat. But to me, it tastes like, in Russia, we have instant noodles with the different flavors, and that's what them put in our instant noodles to say like it's a ramen with beef or something, but no beef no there, something like that them put. Maybe not that healthy, but the substitute, the texture is pretty similar to what we get in our instant noodles. We call it dosherak. You can Google about it. Yeah. And this is my mom's preparations, because she prepare herself food for 2 days. So she doesn't have to cook regular. She doesn't want to cook regular because she wants to spend time more with us, with the kids. Here, that's my food. She fried me some fritters with cabbage. It's Russian style fritters, In Jamaica, them fried with salt fish and veggies. But in Russia, we just put, here's zucchini and flour. Pretty similar thing. And you put it upon oil, fry it on it. Yeah, just fried, like any fried fritters. So my mother, she got clean, She said, swag it, just she wants to greet you guys.
Hi friends, I'm glad to see you.
Yeah, my mom is learning English. Yeah, she says she just obsessed with the clean place, so she wants to do it every day. Like, I don't know what it gives her. Maybe she feels comfortable doing that to contribution to the family. But I told her, like, mom, relax. You don't need to like contribute to the family like that. I mean, you don't have to work yourself off in this house. I did not bring you for that. I brought you to spend more time with the boys, teach them Russian, expose them to Russian culture. But she just wants to do it every day. She wants to swipe and sweep. Yeah, she wants to clean the place every day. She wants to clean every day. She even wants to mop it every day. But I said to her, relax. You don't want you to lose too much calories because we are trying to gain weight. And with she working in the house like cray will not help us to move her nowhere. Because as she said she used to be 40 kilograms before she come to Jamaica, but I not believe that, because a person can't lose 7 kilograms on the way to Jamaica. Like, no, she been down there before. So she tried to say like just the other day she was 40 kilograms, but between 40 and 33 is a big difference. So I not really believe it all. But I try my best to help her. Yeah. And I always say, my mom, relax, because you don't need to do them kind of things. I not bring you for you to clean the floor every day. You can clean the floor. I love your help and appreciate it, but you don't have to do it every day. Like, you can do it every other day. Also, she started cooking. As well, and kids, they love cooking too as well, her cooking, because it's kind of same style how I cook food, Russian style. Yeah, that's how we do it in the family. That's how I grew up eating food, so kids are okay with it. I'm not sure if Errol belly full But some say like him belly full though. So I hope him not like you know. My mother used to be curvy and she used to have nice body, you know. But right now not there, not left. We really want to bring her back to I understand we can't bring her back to what she used to be, like she used to be. But at least we can try to put her in a better spot, you know, in a better appearance. Cause right now I just can't deal. Me heart breaks every time I look on her. I'm saying, why boy, my heart just breaks. Trust me. I mean, want to do my best. I want to do my best for her. I want to help her. Yeah. You know what? Mila don't want my hands anymore. If we put her to sleep, she just wants to sing. Cause I threw her granny. She has seen to her. So she has started singing for her own herself and put herself to sleep. So I'm glad. I'm kind of glad. Yeah, of course I'm glad. So she don't need my hands. She'll fall asleep on her own. She just has to sing. She just sing for herself and she goes to sleep. Yeah, granny impact too, cause she always has sing to her. What you doing, Leah? You picking belt? Why?
Because the slap paper.
What did Granny say?
She wants to slap Daddy. Stop! What?
Daddy. Match him. And he's getting disciplined, you know? Then you like it. What did Granny tell you?
What?
Granny said something about belt. What did she say?
She wants to slap me.
He does not listen. Because he does not listen. Daddy, why don't listen? Why don't listen?
I know how to spell deco.
What's that? Those
I know
are
how to spell deco.
decoration
I
for the Christmas tree. What we got here? Open it. I don't even remember where I put all the toys, because those are just the toys in there too. Alright, great.
Toys in there too?
Yeah, a good thing our Christmas tree light up itself. So here, so first thing, boys, we want you to spread the Christmas tree. Yeah,
Like this?
yeah. But Leo, you have to help me to spread the Christmas tree parts.
Yeah. Give me.
So yeah, here we are. Milligan sleep. Come on, are we doing it or no? Are we doing it or no? No, don't clap it, because you're gonna wake up Mila. Mosquito leave. So first we do this. Look what mommy's going to do. What's the trick? Can you do that? I'm gonna spread it.
Come on, help mommy. If you want any present for Christmas, go ahead, mommy.
How is it like this?
Go on.
Mom, do you want to help?
No, not yet, not yet. Do what we do.
We do what mommy and your brother is doing. Go on.
Do what we do. So first, spread
Make
the
it the
tree
Hawaii.
so it looks pretty. Not yet.
No, put on the bar for you bake it. Yeah, wait until mommy finish.
Yeah?
Mommy know what to drop this bar.
What's that? That's the ball from the yard sale from last year.
Yeah, remember everything.
Proud the yard sale item. He gave me it as a present because I was bulk shopper.
I'm shopping on place.
Yard sale bulk shopper.
Yeah, good luck.
Nice?
Invite grandma for help. No?
Yeah, my grandma could help.
Grandma for help.
I want to.
Some strange grandma stop at place in a one.
Grandma's place. This is from Jamaica.
Well, yes,
This is a cool that memory.
my mother used to really like them things, you know.
That?
Yeah, back in my childhood, me was the person who did it. You know,
Oh, one of the kids on TV. Osh. Careful. No, careful.
here comes Salty.
One of the Osh. Leo, watch your head on TV behind you, yeah? See your brother just bump your head.
Come on, go.
Меня тогда снимай с лица. Что ты?
Всех снимаю. So this part looks kind of bald, and if you spread it better, the one.
What is boy?
I don't think my mom will feel Christmas this year because you know she used to snow and she used to cold weather. She'll get a Jamaican, yeah, tropical. First Christmas in Jamaica, yeah, yeah.
Beautiful.
No, hey, listen to me.
А где там можно?
Мальчики.
Ой,
Put it
какая
down.
маленькая, смотри.
Go pass the balls to grandma and mommy. Give them to grandma and mommy. Yeah?
Grandma tired, guys.
Alright, grandma. Yes.
Grandma.
Или я могу отплыть?
Okay, no problem.
Окей, окей.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice.
I gotta go get it. This is Tom.
It's like a snowflake.
Это снежинка. Скажи, снежинка. And the last touch. The roll, cause we short people. Careful, Leo. Yeah. Short people. We need somebody to fix the tree upper part. No, not too tight. Spread it so.
No, more spread.
No!
Shh, Danny.
We did it.
No, you don't look
There's a
good.
bird over there. Look at that bird.
Really? Daddy,
See?
you tricked us.
It's already
It's fine that way.
man.
Alright.
Is that it?
No, this angle better. This angle is better. What's going on with this one?
No, JP is there.
Don't know, look. Stop the noise, no man.
Christmas, so every time you see them cool time right now.
Him want a real Christmas. Boy, AC.
This is be ready for that light tree.
Now give me Christmas, Jamaican Christmas dance. Why them not make no Christmas dance if in Jamaica this year? You need some. No, you can't.
Turn on AC.
No, not very long.
It's not that hot today.
But I want. No!
What you want?
Oh, Daddy,
Yeah, guys. So this is our Christmas tree.
I'm going to just play some games.
Just gifts missing, but gifts are not done yet. We're not done with the gifts. Packing.
Show me that Christmas tree there.
Fuck.
First Christmas.
She that's so. I need. Look. Go, Kishi.
Look at that.
Go, Kishi. You worst
Christmas tree.
It's a whole tree. Leo, it says fuck. Fuck. No. Go, Kishi.
I wonder if you can look at them.
Chelsea, not cool.
I mean, like, we could just blink blink stuff.
She look at on the wall.
No, I'm not just saying no. You can't take this. What else?
Christmas tree. Pretty. Look at them, Danny. I sing the song about Christmas.
No. Because we want to fight. Bell, jingle bell, jingle away. Slowly and surely.
Don't laugh at my son. Someone see me. Why you laugh at the man for? Eh? What's wrong?
Yeah. Christmas. Christmas Day, we only find jingle bell, jingle all jingle away. One Sunday. Dance.
Mark, so you are mother outside. Sorry. So you only love outside and they must kill him. You say some mosquito now right there. Mosquito now right there.
Everyone is asking, we're not afraid of. Let us crash.
You say Jamaican love foolishly.
I mean, saw you.
No mosquito now right there. She have special blood. Can if me go outside and meet me alive?
Leo, you want to fight?
Don't know exist. You need someone live a bloodline. I mean, you go to the mosquito eat me. So you mosquito now friend of bite, that's why.
Yeah, you
You know, some people did ask me, Swaggy, are you baking this year Christmas cake, Jamaican Christmas cake? And you know what? I'm gonna try to bake it, but this year I'm gonna bake it without eggs and with my 1 year storage mixture of fruits. Them 1 year, from last Christmas. I just cooked too much of it and I saved it for this year. Well, people I say, longer I say, better it tastes, better cake tastes, but I don't know if a 1 year is okay. Me if you check first if my mixture of fruits and raisins, prunes, them everything in a wine, if it not spoil, cause trust me guys, since last year since last Christmas, I just put it in another jar. The jar is tight enough, but I'm still kinda not sure. I go first check it. If my mix full of mildew, probably me dash it and can't bother cook. Yeah, depends if my mix is not full of mildew. Yeah, so let's see. Let's get a double check right now, if it full of mildew, it about a bake. Just go buy and done. See that? 1 year, guys. 1 damn long year. Yeah, full of stress and joy. Yeah. So, first time I open it, we are gonna see it this year. We have homemade Christmas Jamaican fruit rum, black cake. Hey. Hope me not go poison the whole family with it. Guys, yes, we're gonna have some homemade cake this year because it's in a perfect condition. It's perfect. It smells strong. It's full of flavor, and yes, I am definitely baking this year. Yes, so this is 1 year storage mixture. 1 year. I stored it for 1 year. Fruits, prunes, raisins, other stuff. I don't even remember what I put in there. Yeah, and of course alcohol in it, so that's why it survived right through the year. Yeah, plus me have my wine as well, so me not fi rush for buy it, because you know, if you not on time with your wine, the wine are go done and you're gonna end up without Christmas cake. Because right now right now them have it in a supermarket, you know, but you know, closer to Christmas, yeah guys, so make sure you buy your red label wine and rum from before, because closer to Christmas, less bottles on the shelves. So if you are gonna just suddenly decide you're gonna be a Christmas cake this year, it not gonna happen, cause suddenly not work in Jamaica. Nope, cause you're not gonna find no wine and you're not gonna find no rum left, cause people are bake, you know. People are bake. Some people are bake bulbs, like some people are bake for sale, some people bake for them big families. So literally last year I had to go upon hunting for just 1 or 2 little bottles of red label wine, cause literally red label wine in our area where we are now, St. Anne's, they literally, like every supermarket last year, me did a check every supermarket, and none of them had none of them big supermarkets, they had red label wine. Like rum was there still, but red label wine was gone. Yeah, I had to go up in a community in somewhere in the bar store. I found it, like a mini bar up on the road. I found it there, cause them say they did had leftovers from a party. They did keep party the other day, so they had leftovers. Literally, they had no other. So I took 2 last bottles of red label wine, and I learned. Trust me, guys, I learned my lesson. So if you want to bake your own cake, make sure you store your ingredients from before. You buy all what you need to bake from before. Yeah, me kinda no worry. Me still not butter, but me think butter I go be in Jamaica. It's not so bad. I just the wine situation really tough. Yeah, so don't think too long, cause it's literally nothing left till Christmas. So if you go bake, yeah, you have to know it for yourself 1 month before at least. But for now, look here, so me have some sorrel for now, and look here, so me have some Christmas cake in my fridge. What do you? The working place where Errol works, they did keep a party for the employees. So Errol came back with a big pack of Christmas Jamaican rum. Hey, so many names the cake has: Jamaican, black, rum, fruit. What we call it? Jamaican fruit cake. Yeah, Jamaican fruit cake. So he came back home with pack of fruit cake, and Mr. Terrell, thank you very much. Happy me that. And right now you see the big piece missing. Me. So Mr. Terrell, listen, if you not go jump on it, you know it go done. So blame yourself after, cause me well ready for the cake. Me love the cake, even though me need to lose some weight. Me need to watch my eatings as well. Hey, me I watch my mother eatings, and me to start watch my eatings, but me to lose some weight, cause the baby weight, like I mean when you give birth third time, it's not that easy to come back, but I'm trying my best. So far I'm doing my exercises before I go bed, before I go sleep. I'm gonna do little exercises as well. Me have to do exercises for muscles, not only for cardio, because my muscles, they got so weak after third. My doctor as well recommended me to do some Kegel exercise to tighten your muscles, your female muscles. Them all right. It's a muscle too. Okay. Yeah. So me I work on everything. Me have to work on my cardio, me muscles them, shape, cause me want to come back, you know. Me want to come back, me no want to stay. So right now, new year, me say fit body girl year, cause I am coming back to the gym next year. Like the year is coming, I'm definitely going to jump and work on my body. Me have to go back in my shape, cause sometimes me I watch my video, me know for myself I gain weight. So and that's something what me not see. Me see everything, you know. I me know me see everything, but me not pressure myself. And since my mother there too, she cook more healthy too. So she cut up salads for me, because honestly I never had time even to cut up salads for myself. So my first 3 months then I literally survived on the box food, and I literally never had time to cook. Like I cooked still, but pretty rare, not so often. And it was those 3 months, survival months then. So me just can take care of my baby and nurse the baby and be in a better mood. My mother came with pack of seeds, different packs of seeds, and I do it as well when I travel to Russia, even though most of the seeds they don't really grow in Jamaica, but I still keep trying and trying in case something I go work out. My mother brought some small cucumber seeds, and last time I brought them to Jamaica, they never grew. I don't remember seeing them. Yeah, so let's hope I go plant it, you know, because right now the best season for plant, rain season, Christmas season are the best for plant. So she bought some flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers is it, and I don't know if it will grow in Jamaica, because I know everything grow in Jamaica, and everything. So yeah man, if you buy seeds, make sure you don't really expect too much out of it, because a lot of seeds they don't grow. Yeah, so this I go try too. This one, I know this one I will grow for sure, because I remember seeing it in Jamaica. Yes, I'll show you what she brought. Some grass feet, salad. Yep. This, I think I remember this one. This one, I think they have it in Jamaica. We have it in Jamaica. Yeah. Me a part of Jamaica too right now, so we are gonna say we. Yeah. This one, you know, it's some greens for salad, and this one, I think I see it in Jamaica, sure. And cucumbers. My mother just she wants to raise cucumbers for Leo, because Leo loves cucumbers and he loves small cucumbers. You know, in Jamaica, cucumbers are big and them really big, but surprisingly they taste not bad at all. But every time I go to the store, make sure I pick up some thin cucumbers, because I want less seeds, but even big ones them not taste bad. So yeah, like I said, them will wait for me go plant it. Yeah, go plant it. Hey guys, bonus video update for my plantings them. For people who know, them know. So these are my plantings. Yeah man, on my fence. They're resting on my fence, so I call it mine. So they kind of slow down with ripening, you know, them now get ripe. Them kind of stuck in a one green phase, and they're not really getting yellow. They're not getting ripe. I don't know, maybe because of the rainy weather and we don't really have much sun for now. But them still there. I'm still I watch them. Yeah man, I keep an eye on them. Soon come for you. Soon come for fry una. Yeah. And I wanted to show you one little thing in my yard. It's a raspberry tree, and guys, it is doing pretty good. It not grow, but it not die. So I call it pretty good doing. It's a raspberry tree bush. When the raspberry grows, normally in Russia them turn in a bush. Yeah, but in Jamaica my husband call it tree. But it a go bush. If it a go grow, it a go bush. Yeah, raspberry. No grape. One time it dead pound, but it came back to life. And right now, look at so. Yes, you can't predict nothing. That's how life goes. You can't predict nothing in a life. Look. Yes, grape around like crazy. But just the other year, I was so upset, and it literally dead pound. It came back to life. Yeah. Man, so the weather is cool and it's cozy right now. Yeah, my mother she lucky she come that time, cause if I saw she would have come to Jamaica. I don't know if she would like it, but right now it's a perfect time. It's a perfect time for your European parents, European friends to visit Jamaica. Medical advice from Swaggy. Alright guys, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Take care, and yeah, happy holidays. But I think I'm gonna see you on before, so I'm gonna tell you one more time, Merry Christmas. But yeah, for now, enjoy your holidays then.